AECOM is a global engineering, design, and construction firm. From delivering clean water and energy to building iconic skyscrapers, stadiums, and airports, AECOM is helping to plan new cities and restoring damaged environments in some cases. AECOM operates on all 7 continents and over 150 countries. We are a very globally diverse workforce, approximately 85,000 people across the globe, working in all different capacities and geographies. So as our Chief Information Security Officer, AECOM is looking to me to help bring our enterprise and our internal security, as well as our client security and protection of their data, to fruition. So there is certainly been a shift and a recognition that cyber as a business risk is top of the list. Board members completely recognize that the reputation of the business and the brand damage that can be done by a cyber attack is something that has gotten their attention. I think all CISOs and anybody in security is facing the same challenge as the digital age and digital transformation, has exploded and taken off. With everybody moving to the cloud and to SaaS solutions and such, that perimeter has nearly dissolved. Zero Trust is not a project. From my perspective, it doesn't have a beginning and an end. It's a framework, and it's a helpful framework. Whether you're talking about phishing or compromised credentials or any of the things that you pick up any report and read, that's where it's at right now. That's the biggest threat. That's what the majority of attacks are originating from. Having a primarily remote workforce makes it that much more difficult to make sure that you are who you say you are when we see activity on systems. We know that people are traveling more than they used to be. We know that people are working from various locations. And so increasing with the innovation and the technology to help us use analytics essentially to make sure that we know you are who you say you are, it's paramount that the solution be incredibly easy to use and seamless for users from a registration, onboarding perspective. People, they welcome these improvements because they know at the end of the day, they don't want to be the one who caused the breach. They don't want to be the one whose credentials were compromised. So there has been, I think, a little bit of a shift. People are embracing more what we're bringing to the table because they know that it's going to help them be able to do their jobs and relax a little bit.